Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2023 23 registered Range Rover Sport SE Dynamic. This is a lovely looking vehicle. This is the D300, 300 brake horsepower, 8-speed automatic, 3 litre, 6-cylinder with a lovely hybrid, mild hybrid motor. Car itself finished in the lovely Borasco Grey. The contrast on this car looks ace. Borasco Grey Metallic, which is new to the range of Range Rover. Full exterior black package, so all your lettering are finished in the grand black veneer, all your centre grills, all your bonnet vents, your side mouldings, mirror caps, pillars, privacy glass. It's a lovely contrast to the car. Now, alloy wheel wise, I doubt you've seen these before. They look absolutely ace. Now at first glance they just look like they're black. They're a dual tone black, so we've got gloss black and you've got satin black detailing as well. Looks fantastic. Bright red brake calipers, Land Rover embossed. Coming through to the back, obviously signature pop out handles. Coming through to the rear, grand black veneers follow through again. You get that nice sporty lower diffuser as well. Reversing cameras found there. Press the button, tailgate elegantly glides up. As you can tell, loads of luggage space in there. Added storage underneath. You've got the buttons for your split folding rear seats. You can raise and lower the suspension, just easier to get things in and out. Parcel shelf is present. Looking round to the other side then. All four wheels in fantastic order. Unmarked Pirelli P0 tyres all round. And then jumping inside, I'll show you through some of the lovely features. So, first things first, have a look at these seats. It's like sitting on your couch. Absolutely fantastic, soft touch, very supportive, very cushiony. These are probably the best seats I've ever sat in. Obviously all in very nice order as well. Now, inside, 3-way memory for driver and passenger, Meridian Surround Sound System. We've got blind spot monitoring, 4 electric windows, leather multifunction steering wheel. This is heated, seats are heated also. Flappy paddles, automatic lights, automatic wipers, everything that you'd expect on a vehicle of this calibre. We've got the virtual cockpit on this one. So we've got our satellite navigation on one side, miles per hour, which I like there, and then you've got all your media to the other side. That is fully adjustable now as well. So if you wanted to change the left panel display, the right panel display, or if you just wanted to change the layout, you can do that also. If you want a full wide screen of the satellite navigation, you can get that up on there. As we're doing the video, we've done 4,364 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Nice big floating screen on these, slightly curved. They look superb. Now, this is obviously fully touchscreen, so on there you've got loads of nice features. We've got satellite navigation, gives you a nice click for feedback. As you can tell, it's very responsive, very easy to use. Bluetooth phone on there, full media, DAB. You've got full phone connectivity on this car as well. A few ride, drive features, but then you can go through to the main menu where you'll find your cameras. As you can tell, it gives you like a lovely bird's eye view of the car. You can go through, doesn't get any easier when you're parking a car. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, valeting mode, voice command, media, weight sensing, full 4x4 information. Obviously this is an air suspension car, which gives you that lovely ride quality. You can lower it, you can raise it. You've got your dynamic drive select, so as you can tell you've got sort of on-road, which we can flick through. You've got on-road, eco, normal, grass, gravel, snow. We'll press no there. Sand, and then you've even got weight sensing if you're going through shallow waters. Seats as well, so if I adjust those, you've got the details on there, so you've got your, oh, we'll try that again. You've got lumbar, you've got your bolsters, you've got your headrest, and you've also got the cushion at the front, so you can fully adjust the seat to exactly the way you want it. Coming through to the centre then, as you can tell, lovely soft touch leather, individual armrests, loads of storage within there, cup holders, and then below the cup holders you've got a bit of hidden storage as well. USB and USB Type-C connections, so full phone charging. And then just poking your head through to the back, as you can tell those seats are in lovely order. I'll just show you the rear seats in a sec. So in the back, 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3, centre armrest. Within there, obviously, lots of nice storage, and then I like the way the cup holders open as well. I think that's quite smart. Rear seat heating, rear climate, so you get the full benefit of the blowers, full benefit of your heated seats. Everything's thought of in this car. And then obviously when you look up ahead, the lovely Pan Am roof. So, if you'd like any more information, if you've got a Part X, if you require finance, we can happily give you quotes over the phone. Our phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thank you for watching, we look forward to your inquiry.